State-owned power giant NTPC Limited has appointed veteran power sector professional Anupam Mukherjee as its new executive director project, marking a significant addition to the company's leadership team as it continues to expand its generation capacity and execute key infrastructure projects across the country. Damodar Valley Corporation and NLC India Limited have extended their Memorandum of Understanding for the continued supply of coal to DVC's thermal power stations, reinforcing their long-standing partnership aimed at ensuring reliable power generation and supporting India's growing energy requirements. DFCCIL showcased its achievements in freight infrastructure and railway technology at the IRSE National Convention and Exhibition 2026 being held at Bharat Mandapam in New Delhi. Managing Director Praveen Kumar inaugurated the DFCCIL stall at the prestigious Railway Technology event, which is themed Designing, Developing and Manufacturing AI-driven Next-Generation Railway Command and Control Signaling System for a Viksit Bharat. The Public Enterprises Selection Board has invited applications for the post of Managing Director (MD) of NTPC Green Energy Limited, the renewable energy subsidiary of NTPC Limited, as the company accelerates its expansion plans to achieve 60 gigawatts of renewable energy capacity by 2032. NLC India Limited has been declared the preferred bidder for the Parvatapur Vanadium, Titanium and Aluminous Laterite block in Sangareddy district of Telangana following the e-auction conducted by the Ministry of Mines on June 11, 2026. The company informed stock exchanges that it secured the strategic mineral block under the Critical and Strategic Mineral Blocks auction conducted by the Ministry of Mines, Government of India. Prasanna Kumar Motupalli, Chairman and Managing Director of NLC India Limited, will complete his successful tenure at the end of June 2026. His leadership since January 2023 has been defined by strong operational results, strategic growth initiatives, and a clear focus on sustainable energy development. Solar Energy Corporation of India Limited has invited quotations from scheduled commercial banks for non-fund-based credit facilities worth up to 800 crore rupees, while simultaneously seeking opportunities to invest up to 200 crore rupees in callable fixed deposits. State-owned engineering giant Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited has highlighted the successful execution of the 2 times 660 megawatt Maitri Super Thermal Power Project in Bangladesh, marking a significant milestone in India's growing footprint in global infrastructure development. The landmark project, jointly inaugurated by the Indian Prime Minister and Bangladesh, ONGC has informed the stock exchanges about a key development at its subsidiary, ONGC Petro Additions Limited. The Board of Directors of OPAL, in its 134th meeting held on June 11, 2026, approved the proposal to raise funds through the private placement of non-convertible debentures. The company plans to raise an aggregate amount of up to 4,471 crore rupees by issuing secured or unsecured redeemable NCDs in one or more tranches. Patratu Vidyut Utpadan Nigam Limited successfully concluded the Girls Empowerment Mission 2026 workshop at Aranya Guest House in a vibrant and dignified closing ceremony held on Wednesday. The program commenced with a welcome song presented by the participating students.